am participating in the Clean Closet Challenge. I was invited to this challenge by Heidi from Heidi Sonboul and Jessica from Casa Magnolia to participate in this challenge. And what we were asked to do was to clean out and organize a closet and show the process. So I am standing in front of my linen closet here, and it is a mess. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys. This is what I'll be working on today. Okay, so this is the closet, and as you can see, it's a pretty small linen closet, and I've stuffed it to the brim, and so it needs to be decluttered and organized a little bit better. In my basement, and the reason why I'm here is I just wanted to show you what I'm getting rid of, and so I'm gonna show you right now. So you can see, okay, so these 3 bags, 1, 2, and 3, where are we, 3, are what I'm getting rid of. The other bags that you see on the floor are other things that I'm also getting. So here is a look at the before, and now here is the after. So now let's take a closer look at how I've organized this closet. While it may not be Pinterest worthy with baskets and bins, I think it still looks really neat and is way better than what it was before. So starting at the top, I've put our beach towels, our towels we use for compresses, and our face cloths. The next shelf holds my husband's towels, my towels, and our hand towels for our bathroom. The shelf below that holds our quilt, our blankets, and our knee comforters, as well as our sheet sets. And here I have kept 3 2 for our bed and 1 for our guest futon downstairs. Then I've kept some extra pillowcases because I like to change out our pillowcases before we change our sheets. And then I have some extra dishcloths and then some sachets in the corner here. The following shelf below that houses our bath mats, our picnic blankets, and our drying mats, along with pot holders and any tablecloths we are using, as well as aprons and basically anything to do with the kitchen and dinner. On the bottom, we have our tissues and then our bathroom tissues. Now our paper towels didn't hold here, and they are in a different closet. So this is how I am organizing and storing our linens in our linen closet. I think that it looks 100% better than what it did. When I do have time, I do plan on measuring the space out and getting bins for each of the items in here. But for now, I think this works. Mostly I'm the only one who goes in this linen closet. However, I do, my kids and my husband do go in here occasionally, and so I do want to have it a little bit more organized for them. So I want to thank Heidi and Jessica for putting on this challenge. It's something I had to do anyways, but it really motivated me to get it done and to try to do it as beautifully as I can on a budget. I did not spend anything on this closet, but it does look 100% better in my opinion. So thank you so much, Jessica and Heidi, for inviting me to the challenge. So if you want to see more closet organization and decluttering, I'm going to leave a link down below to the playlist for all the participants in this challenge. I'm also going to leave a link for Heidi's channel and for Jessica's channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment down below what you think of my, I guess, newly organized linen closet. And until next time, take care, and I hope you're having a fantastic day.